What you watching?
Thank you for stopping by.
See you real soon. Boo!
That's the Monster Boogie.
Watching Mouse?
The Monster Boogie.
Sam.
Do the Monster Boogie.
Okay, bye. Bye, buddy.
Stretch some more. Now everybody stomp the floor. That's the Monster Boogie. That's the Monster.
Bye, buddy. Titi's leaving. Titi's vlogging. Come on, bud.
I think you're walking to
Oh, we're not walking to the park. We're walking to the car because we're going somewhere. Oh, I forgot to. Okay. Here, I'll put him in the car.
I told you we're apart.
We're gonna get in. We're gonna put you in the car. Want to say hi to my friends? Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody. My room.
What are you doing? Okay, well, let's sit down first, and then we'll get. You can have that after I buckle you in. Oh, it's losing air. We'll have to get you a new one.
It's losing air.
Yeah, the air's coming out. Here, put it right there and we'll sit down. So, come on. It's hard to do this with one hand. Gotta put the kiddo in the car. That was a lot of work. A whole lot of work. Huh?
We'll lose it.
You want to lose it? I don't know how y'all do this. Girl. This is work. I don't know how there's moms that vlog and get their kids ready and all that stuff.
It's pretty easy to do.
But I mean, like holding a camera? I'm like doing all that.
My room.
What happened? Hey!
My baby's one.
I see.
Boing, boing.
Oh, karaoke, good times.
Time to figure out how to chase my blues away. I'm gonna run now.
Look at the baby dancing.
Show me how. And when the night falls, loneliness falls. I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna be with somebody.
Came to get crabs and fish. Yum. This is crazy.
Oh, you're tipped over. I feel like I gotta be nice to you. Oh, you're missing a claw. We don't want you.
What is he missing?
A claw. He's missing two. We should have four on each side. Let go.
Going with my great grandma.
They also do.
I'm coming. Wow, the fog is beautiful. It just looks amazing. Look at the boat.
Right on. You guys have have a good ride.
freaking insane.
Where's my dad?
He's right here, bud. Definitely. Throw these down.
What would you like? What type of hot dog is it? Is it a beef hot dog?
Oh, I believe it's pork hot dog. Anyway, can I get you all started with
Thank
some
you.
kind of drink?
Water, please.
Definitely. One ice water?
Do you have a kid's water?
Yes, of course.
Do you have like iced tea?
Iced tea, yes.
I'll take that.
Definitely. So that's one iced tea, one water, and one kid's water. I'll be right
And
back,
I
though.
actually know what he wants already.
Definitely. Unfortunately, I'm myself not allowed to handle meal orders. However, I'll send the server out.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So you guys continue to have fun with Cali.
Say hi to all my vlogging
On
friends.
YouTube, subscribe to my channel, Lexi Kennedy 35.
You're so annoying.
Bye.
Bye. She's so annoying. Isn't she gorgeous? It makes me sick.
Jaden called you and Riley called you.
I know. They both did. I'm gonna call them back. I have 6%, so we're not doing this very long. We're not supposed to be eating these, but
About to happen.
we might as well indulge. Amazing. So good.
It's a motorcycle.
You want me to put them on your side?
Oh, wow.
Oh wait, are those hot or mild?
Pickle.
So what does that mean? I don't know.
They're not spicy at all.
Oh, no, I like them.
Oh my god, the beans are so good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm happy.
We made the right decision. We really did.
Definitely. I can tell you.
Oh my goodness!
Oh no, don't burn. Oh, if it bruised, I'll die.
Parenting 101.
It won't stick. It'll stick here. The sound.
Let's walk around over here. These boats are beautiful. This is just such a gorgeous scenery. I'm gonna walk back to the car and get my phone so I can take a picture for the gram. What are you doing? Are you making that for Titi? Oh, okay. Thank you.
I make it too.
Oh.
Sam, let's change you.
Uh-oh, looks like you gotta go get changed, bud.
Ow, I just ran into the wall.
What's that hurt?
Hurt my finger.
Oh, kiss mommy's boo-boo.
Right here.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, right there.
Oh.
Thank you. Come here, let me change your
You're
buoy
the
now.
sweetest guy ever.
You gotta change your buoy now, boo-boo.
So we're going to a farmer's market. Melanie,
Dash.
Aspen, say hi.
Hello.
And
Dash at me.
Titi's baby. Oh, hi.
I'm gonna drag this right here so it doesn't drag.
About to go to the farmer's market. Yo, my skin though is looking nice. Especially with no makeup on. Look at this guy's no makeup. But I really don't wear makeup throughout the day anyway. This Adidas hoodie has become my best friend, and I'm out here in pajama pants. We're all in pajamas. Me, Sam, and his mama.
Ready, guys?
Listo?
Ready.
Listos.
Everybody's ready.
I love hanging with Aspen because she's my friend that understands that I vlog and doesn't mind it. Some people are like, oh my gosh, why do you have a camera?
I kind of want to go to Starbucks before we go anywhere to drink some wine. Keep going. Cool.
Right? Oh look, Sam! It's the bunnies!
You want to say hi to the bunny?
Oh, the Easter bunny just walking around.
Yes, please.
Thank you. What gentleman? Your names?
Your names are high?
So cute. They just came and said hi. I'll make sure I leave it in there for you guys so you can see it. You're welcome. How cute were they?
You're adorable.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, this food smells amazing.
And this just so happens to be the best kettle corn you'll ever get in your entire life.
Oh my gosh. You guys gotta smell this food. It smells so good.
Here's where we are.
I saw.
We're in the beginning.
So cool. Oh my gosh, you guys, look.
Oh my god.
I don't have any cash on me either. Oh, look. Aww. Cute are these little shops. Oh look, there's another thing. I don't know who that is though.
We're working our way this way.
Making my way downtown, walking fast. Face is past as I'm homebound. Is that how it goes? I don't even know. Making my way through the crowd. Cause I need you. Now that song's really stuck in my head. Now I wonder if you seeing the bunny? How cute.
If you want me to take a souvenir photo, just let me know.
Okay. Thank you. Oh my goodness, what cuteness. Oh. Do you want me to take it or do you want to take it? There's that guy over there. Whoa, bud, look at him. He's cool. And he has a tail. He's really cool. And he's saying hi. Are you gonna wave hi to him?
Scared.
I don't think he's scared. Tell him to come over here. Say, come here. I don't think he can hear you. You gotta go like this. You gotta tell him, say, come here. Oh, I don't think he hears you, bud. Oh, uh-oh, he's leaving. He's taking mugshot photos. So funny. Too cute.